game begins.
咱不是跪着滑，站着滑。
你们学姐没说呀？
He learns the rules and tries again.
看好，站着更容易到五点。
好的，请冲锋，3、2、1，Go Go Go！
But
你个垃圾！男人最重要的不是控。
his friend was full of confidence.
咱们再来一次。
He's about to make up for his mistake.
关注。非常不错。
But then